In this article, we'll explore how Redmond Windows and Doors can help reduce noise pollution in your home, enhancing your comfort, privacy, and the overall living experience. How noise pollution affects your health and well-being. Before diving into the solutions, it's important to understand why noise pollution is more than just an inconvenience. Prolonged exposure to loud noise can lead to stress, sleep disturbances, and even more serious health issues like heart disease, high blood pressure, and hearing loss. It can also negatively impact cognitive function and overall mental health. For homeowners in Redmond, the sound of traffic, air traffic, or even the hustle and bustle of a nearby urban area can constantly disrupt the peace. If you've noticed that the noise levels are affecting your ability to relax or sleep, investing in noise-reducing windows and doors can help restore a sense of tranquility in your home. Noise-reducing windows. The best defense against external sound. Windows are one of the primary entry points for noise. The type of glass, the window's structure, and the seal quality all play a role in how much sound can penetrate into your home. Modern noise-reducing windows, especially double-glazed or triple-glazed windows, offer a solution for significantly reducing external noise. Double or triple pane glass. Noise-reducing windows are typically designed with 2 or 3 layers of glass, with spaces filled with gases like argon or krypton. These multiple panes act as a barrier that absorbs and deflects sound waves, reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. The thicker the glass, the better it can block sound, so opting for double or triple pane windows can make a noticeable difference in sound insulation. Laminated glass. Another option for reducing noise is laminated glass, which consists of 2 panes of glass with a sound-absorbing layer in between. This type of glass is highly effective at blocking sound and is often used in areas where noise reduction is a top priority, such as highways or busy streets. High-quality seals. In addition to the glass itself, high-quality window seals are essential for ensuring that no gaps or leaks allow sound to enter your home. Proper sealing prevents drafts, improves energy efficiency, and significantly reduces noise infiltration. How Redmond doors help block out noise. Just like windows, doors also play a significant role in blocking sound. A poorly sealed or low-quality door can be a major entry point for noise pollution. By upgrading your doors to solid core or soundproof doors, you can drastically reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Solid core doors. These doors are made from dense materials, such as wood or composite, which absorb sound better than hollow core doors. A solid core door helps reduce the transmission of external sounds, making them an excellent choice for front doors, patio doors, or any exterior entryway. Weather stripping and seals. The seals around doors are just as important as the door itself. High-quality weather stripping ensures that there are no gaps around the door frame where sound can slip through. This added layer of protection further enhances the noise reduction capabilities of your Redmond home. Soundproofing doors. Some doors are specifically designed for soundproofing purposes and come equipped with additional features like insulated cores or multiple layers of material that help block sound from entering. These doors are particularly effective in areas where noise pollution is most prevalent. The benefits of reducing noise pollution in your home. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows and doors can have a significant impact on the comfort of your home. By minimizing external noise, you can enjoy the following benefits. Better sleep quality. Noise can disrupt your sleep patterns, making it difficult to get a restful night's sleep. Reducing external noise in your bedroom with soundproof windows and doors can help improve your sleep quality, leading to better overall health and energy levels. Increased privacy. Noise-reducing windows and doors also enhance your privacy. If you live in a densely populated area or near a busy street, you may worry about sound traveling into your home from neighbors or passers-by. By choosing windows and doors that block out noise, you can create a more private and peaceful living environment. Enhanced comfort. In addition to sound reduction, noise-insulated windows and doors often offer better energy efficiency, helping to keep your home comfortable throughout the year. The same insulation that blocks sound also helps prevent heat loss during the winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer, ultimately saving you money on your utility bills. Choosing the right Redmond windows and doors for noise reduction. When choosing windows and doors to reduce noise in your Redmond home, it's important to select high-quality products that are specifically designed for soundproofing. Look for features such as multiple layers of glass, laminated glass, insulated frames, and solid core doors to ensure maximum noise reduction. A professional window and door installation company can help you select the best options for your home based on the level of noise you experience and your budget. By investing in noise-reducing windows and doors, you're not only enhancing the comfort and privacy of your home but also improving its overall value. Conclusion. Enhance your home's comfort with noise-reducing windows and doors. If noise pollution is affecting your quality of life, upgrading to Redmond windows and doors designed to reduce sound can make a world of difference. With the right windows and doors, you can create a more peaceful, private, and comfortable home, free from the disruptive sounds of the outside world. Whether you live near a busy street, a commercial area, or simply want to improve the acoustics of your home, noise-reducing windows and doors are a smart investment for better living conditions. Reach out to a professional window and door installer today to explore your options for a quieter, more peaceful home.